Hey, just welcome back to the Is It Worth It? So today's episode, I want to showcase some products that I did get this time around, preparing for like the I-dle concert that's coming up soon. So I do have the old version that I purchased and also purchased a new version as well. So version 2 and version 3. I did buy a few of these for myself and also for someone else to use. So I bought a total of 4 in total, so 2 of the old one and 2 of the new one. So since they're all the same, I'll just show you guys what the new what one of them looks like. We'll start with the old one first. So the first time I actually saw I-dle was actually at a event called KCON LA. Then that was a pretty cool event, and this year, at the time I'm making this video, it seemed like this year's lineup wasn't as appealing to me. So there's a good chance that if they don't add any more celebrities on there that I want to see, there's pretty high chance that I might not want to go this year because it doesn't seem as appealing. And also I already have so many concerts I'm attending or planning to attend this year in terms of like I-dle, there's like IVE, Big Bang if they do make their tour hopefully. And yeah, we'll see who else we do go, but those are some of the lineups so far that I'm planning to go attend. So I've already showed you guys my IVE lightsticks last time you guys saw here already, the new ones. I'm already prepared and ready for that. But this is the I-dle one here from the previous year, or the version 2. So once you guys do open it up, they do have the user manual inside right here, and then we do have the actual product inside. So they pretty much provide you guys the light stick, and then they do provide you guys a wrist strap. So here's the wrist strap for you guys to put on, and it does say Neverland on there, if you guys can see right there, if it does focus hopefully, right there. And then this is pretty much what the light stick looks like here. So once you guys do take it out, you guys can see it has a little castle on top, or inside part right here, pretty cool. They do have their little logo and name right there, Neverland. And the little button right here is the same little castle thing, that's pretty cool. And then this is where you guys would insert the little strap for the wrist strap, and you guys can twist it to open up the battery compartment right here, and that's pretty much where you guys will put the battery inside. So 3 of the AAA batteries will be required to use it. I don't have it here, so I would have to go get some batteries first. So I'm actually go get the battery first and then put it on to show you guys what it looks like, and I'll also show you guys the new one as well. Alright, so I got the battery, so we're gonna put this inside right here. This one right here as well. And let's do one more here. And then put it back inside. Put it the same way that you guys got it. And just twist it right here and it should work. If not, just twist it the other way. Alright. So once you guys turn it on, this is pretty much what it looks like here. And you guys can press it to change, I believe, the different modes on here for you guys to use. Different colors and etc. Different patterns, which is pretty neat. So that's a pretty cool little design overall for what you guys do get here. If you guys can see for the design, and there's also the top part right here as well. And that's pretty much what the old version looks like if you guys do want to use the old version for the concert. Otherwise, you can use the new one. Before we actually open up the new one, I want to showcase something that I got recently when I went to the Shanghai Disney Resort. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because one of the members was Yuki, Song Yuchi. She was actually one of the singers for the 10th anniversary at Shanghai Disney, which I believe I showed you guys a video already about that. So they made a light stick that you guys can get at the venue, Shanghai Disney Resort for the 10th anniversary, which is pretty cool. And when you guys look at it, it looks really, really pretty. So they have the same thing, a wrist strap here, and this works like a little light stick as well. They have the Mickey design for the little speaker, and how this one works is that when you guys go to each one, the destination at the park, you guys can actually press the little Bluetooth button right here, or the little button here to send that signal to connect it. So when you guys first get this product, it doesn't really have any music. Once you guys go to like, I think 5 or 6 different stations to connect this for each one of the stations, there's like bubbles coming out and everything. That's pretty cool to see it personally when you guys do it. But once you guys do that, it connects all those different locations. It becomes the song that is the one that they sang. So if I do turn it on right here on the side with the power button right here, it lights up right there, and this is pretty much what the product looks like here. So when you guys do look at the design, it looks kind of similar to the I-dle one, which is pretty cool. So I'm wondering if Song Yuchi had had something to do with it. Like she gave her own personal thought to make something like this, which is pretty cool. Or it was just meant to be, which is pretty neat. But you guys can see this one is actually pretty cool. It has all the different lights here that lights up. And when you guys press on this button right here, after you guys finish connecting all the different locations like I mentioned, it's so cool. It has a song that they sang. So cool, as you see. And you guys can like shake it and have little glitters inside. So that's pretty neat. So I wish they did something like this for their lightstick. That would have been really cool. This definitely feels a lot more higher quality, but also it feels very nice when you guys do feel it and has so many different features on here. I think the only thing that it was missing if it was a lightstick for the concert is the Bluetooth connection or whatever to connect it to the music when they play the song and stuff for the parade. That would have been really nice. But yeah, so that's pretty much what the I-dle lightstick here for version 2, and this one right here, which is pretty neat. I thought when I first got this, I had to share with you guys when I unboxed this lightstick here to showcase what you guys do get compared to this one here. And at the 10th anniversary right there as well, which is pretty neat. So yeah, there's that one. Now let's show you guys the new one that we got right here, the third version. So once you guys open this one right here, this one is definitely different than the second version. So they do give you guys the straps and everything all on their I-dle. No longer G-I-dle, it's I-dle. And user menu inside right there, and it has this part right here as well, which is kind of cool. And then for the light stick, it's definitely smaller than the other one. When you guys look at it, and a little bit more basic as well. So that's what it looks like there. I kind of like the design of the old one here. It looks definitely a lot more cooler, especially now that Shanghai Disney has the new one that is using a song that Song Yuqi sang. That's pretty cool. So this new one right here, I believe this lights up right here. They do have the buttons on the side right here for you guys to use. And then we do have the I-dle name right here in the back. This is where you guys put the lanyard option here. And I think this part right here in the front also lights up as well. And the way how you guys put the battery in this one, it looks like it's on top. So you guys can, let's see, pull it out like that, and then put in the battery that way instead. So different than most light sticks that I own. So I'm gonna take out the battery of the other one here, and let's give it a try. So it uses the same batteries here, so we can use the same one. So put it inside right here. So it slides in, so that's pretty cool. So that way it kind of locks it in, so you don't have to worry about it won't fit. And then push back in the same way that you guys put it in, and close back up. Once you guys do that, press the button to turn it on. It should be one of these here. So it lights up just like that, which is pretty cool. So the bottom button right here is the one that activates it. And you guys can change the different modes on here as well. And then the top one also changes different button when you guys do use that, which is pretty neat. So feel free to change different modes on here if you guys do want. Just to kind of show you guys what it looks like, let me actually turn off the light to show you guys it in a better setting, of a darker setting. So I'll leave some light on so that way it kind of shows it pretty nice. So this is pretty much what it looks like here. So change the different modes on here if you guys do want. So there's a bunch of different color patterns on here for you guys to use, which is pretty neat. So choose the one that works for you guys when you guys use that. And I believe there's an option for you guys connected to pair to the music or something when they do sing the songs and everything live. So that's pretty cool. I'll probably have to wait to the concert and see how it works and everything when they do come out. So that's pretty much what it looks like for this one here. And if I do put the battery back into the other one, let me show you guys what the other one looks like as well in a darker setting. So take out the batteries here. I love the design, how easy it is to take out the battery as well. This definitely is a newer design that I do appreciate and do like. Even though the old one is easy to put as well, but something about the new one just seems a little bit easier and Just very different than what everyone else is doing. All right, so turn back on. And then here's what it looks like once you guys do turn it on. So change the different lights and everything if you guys do want. Pretty cool. And then to show you guys the Disney one, give it a second for it to kind of focus on there, hopefully. If not, I'll focus it myself. Let's turn on the music first. All right, so that's pretty much what each one of those looks like there. Turn on the light first. So whether if you guys want to get the new one or the old one, that is completely up to you guys. And if you guys do want to go to Shanghai Disney and get the one that I have here as well, that's supporting Song Yuqi obviously as well, that is completely up to you guys. But that's pretty much the different light stick that I got this time around. Like I mentioned, I got 2 of each one of these here. So I won't showcase the other box, and it is the same exact thing. And for me, I bought it from the authorized seller, so they actually gave me some photo cards here as well. So that's pretty cool, random photo cards here. And it has the date on there or the album on there as well, so that's pretty cool. This is random, so very thankful that they gave that. I kind of wish that they gave like their photo cards here when we do buy from them here, but that's totally fine. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this little haul video to showcase each one of these here. If you guys would ask me which one is my favorite between these 3 right here, it's obviously going to be this one here from Shanghai Disney. This looks a lot more higher quality, feels nice, and looks a lot more prettier to use. And that's actually why I'm contemplating about maybe bringing this one to the concert as well to use it, because it's kind of cool, even though it doesn't connect to the music and everything. If I were to compare these 2 right here, this one just very new and very basic. I do like the older version a lot more just because the design looks cool and it has like that Neverland design on there. Whereas for this one, just looks like their little, I think, logo that they have. So if I had to rank it between all 3, Shanghai Disney one is going to be the number 1. This is number 2, and this is number 3. Maybe a lot of people like this design, and it is a lot more easier and compact to bring this along when you guys do go on trips and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So I can see the benefit of this one here. So you guys can see which one is best for you guys and let me know which one you guys prefer. But that's pretty much my little opinion there.